Yo guys, just got back and gonna show you guys a haul here. Let's put these on the side for right now. Let's see what we got here. This is a Salvatore Ferragamo. These are suede. The lighting's bad in here, but it's nice. We got that. We got some Sam Edelman pointy stripes. Okay, what do we got here? We got famous Tory Burch wedge. Need some touch-up work. They're good. Tory Burch right there. Alright. What else do we got? This is a brand I just figured out. Jimmy Choo platform, good condition. The back is in good condition too. So Jimmy Choo, right there. Alright, what else we got here? Got a different style. Tory Burch. Still a wedge. Leather, just the logo's different. So here's the other one. Here's both of them side by side. So two Tory Burch right there. Got the alright, what do we got here? We got some vintage Salvatore Ferragamo. Vintage ones. They need to be touched up. Gonna send them to the cobbler. Vintage Salvatore Ferragamo. Okay, what else we got here? Got some newer model Salvatore low kitten heel, open toe sandal. See, I'm starting to learn all the terms now. This is a nice one, modern. Let's see if it focuses in. Alright, so that's that. Get that out of here. There's another Tory Burch, the pair. The other Salvatore Ferragamo. What else we got here? Got some Tory Burch sandals. All this for $38. Here's the Ferragamo pair. Here's some Rangoni, which I don't know that brand, but it's made in Italy. So we'll check that out. And here is here's the red bottom Louis Vuittons. You guys can see them there. So they gotta get touched up. Louis Vuittons. It's like an ankle booty. Leather. Louis Vuittons. Let's see what we got on this one here. We got 3 bags today, so these are some Rone made in Guadalajara, Mexico. Picked them up because they're unique, so kind of vintage looking shoes. So we'll check them up, see what they score. And we got here, what is this brand here? This is Louis Etsy. I'm not sure what brand that is, but these look well-made boots. Well-made boots there. This is the other pair. What else do we got here? Tania Spinelli, made in Italy. Pointy toe leathers. Little vintage looking. Okay, so what else we got going on here? We got Kenneth Cole. Nice color. Kenneth Cole. We got some Michael Kors boots. I'm gonna get these touched up for youth, for little girls. Michael Kors boots for little girl. We got some more Michael Kors boots for little girls. Gotta get them touched up. What do we got here? Some G by Gus cork wedge sandal platforms. good condition. And these are for my buddy. She asked me to get them for her. These are El Gringo cowboy boots made in Mexico. Badass boots. She's a cool friend, so I got them for her. So that's the second bag. Let's look at the third bag. What we got in the third bag? We got some Sam Edelman suede boots. Okay. Got some Mora Lizzi Calzado Fino para Dama. So it's like in Spain. So these are vintage. Vintage shoes. Vintage shoes bring in a lot. So we got that. What else we got here? These cute boots here. Let's see, what are they? Guess boots. Okay, so Guess boots. Got some Coach tennis shoes. Okay, Coach tennis shoes. What else we got here? We got these older looking Michael Kors flats, but it has a nice emblem. I'm gonna get these touched up also. There we go. What else we got here? Sandals, flat sandals. They call these like gladiator sandals. What else we got? It's a kind of co-reaction flat shoes. Got some Calvin Klein. Got some Calvin Klein boots. Pointy toe shoes. Calvin Klein. Got the Guess boots. Got some Aldo shoes, leather, men's leather shoes. And what else we got? Got Bruno Magli, made in Italy. So all these shoes for $38. Okay, we got some baby Michael Kors. Baby Michael Kors. Look at that tiny boot. Somebody's baby's gonna have nice little boots when they go to daycare. They got some Vibram Minimus running shoes. So there we go, people. This is what we got for $38 total. Let's backtrack. Got some Bruno Magli's men's shoes. Got some Guess booties. Got some Calvin Klein pointy flats. Aldo for men. Michael Kors, vintage looking. We got kind of co-reaction. Got Ralph Lauren crocodile. We got some Coach tennis shoes. We got Aldo pointy snake shoes. Some more Michael Kors flat sandals. Got some Guess wedges platform. What else? This shoe from Spain, vintage. Some nice Sam Edelman suede boots. We got the old El Gringo boots. We got Kenneth Cole pointy shoe. We got Tanya Spinelli pointy shoes. And we have Louise Etsy. Boom. Michael Kors. And Ferragamo. We got the Louis Vuittons. Got the Louis Vuittons. We got the Ferragamos. Got Tory Burch. Here we go. Tory Burch. Got more Tory Burch sandals. The other type Ferragamo. Some vintage looking Ferragamos. Some Jimmy Choo London. All this for $38. More Tory Burch. And that's about it, people. So if you guys want to buy wholesale name brand shoes, inbox me if you want to learn how to make some side income with eBay. I do it with my kids. It's very fun. $38. All these shoes here, top name brand. Talk to you guys later. Take care. Bye-bye.